Hi everyone. In this session, let's understand package. What is this package in Java? I will explain and why we need that. I will explain with a proper example. Coding example I will give. So what is Java package? Package means it's a folder. In reality, we are creating some folder, right? In our laptop or in our mobile, we are having some folder. And in that folder, we are keeping the similar kind of files. And even inside a folder we can add a subfolder we can have, right? And inside a subfolder we are having file or one more subfolder. So why we are maintaining that? To maintain similar kind of files. Same things whenever we are doing some Java applications, we need to maintain. Let's see, I will explain with a program. Okay, I will create a new project, Java project. I will say demo. Okay, so here let's say we are having some classes. So I am having some classes, I can say a calculator, which will do the calculations. And I am having another class, I will say advanced calculator. Let's say, and we can have a demo class. So you see what I will do, this calculator and advanced calculator, I can move to a different package because this is doing calculation. It's similar kind of file. So to do so, what I will do, let me close everything. I will create a package. You can create a package or folder. Same, both are same. You can create a package. I will say name as tools. So what I will do, this calculator and advanced calculator, I will move to this tools. So if you will see here, the first line is added calculator. Sorry, package. Any program you take, first line will be the package line. The package is tools. So let's say this calculator, I will add a method. There will be a public method which will add two numbers. Let's say it will take two numbers, int n1 comma int n2. Let's say this add method will take that and it will return the addition of this n1 and n2. Okay, like this some code we are having in advanced calculator also. For example, I given, let's say this advanced calculator is doing one more. It is adding three numbers, for example, n2 dot sorry n2 plus n3. Okay, we are having two classes, calculator and advanced calculator. What I will do, if I wanted to call any of the classes, any of the method, suppose calculator I wanted to call this add method. So what I need to do, I need to create an object, right? Let me add a main method. And what I will do, I will write calculator calc equal to new calculator. You see, once I created an object, I can call that add method. And I will give 5, 10. So you see, once I created this object, this line got added, import tools.calculator. Because this calculator, I'm using this demo class. Demo belongs to this package, demo project package. and we are trying to call a class which is not in this demo package, which is in other package, that is tools. To call a other package class, we need to import this id is importing eclipse id. If you are using manually, if you are using some notepad, explicitly you need to add this import line, otherwise it will not work. You will get error like this class is not visible. Import, it is suggesting calculator cannot be resolved to the type, right? So if we'll call this method, it will work. Let me call with a, you see, it is giving 15. We are calling this add method of calculator, which is present in here. So like this, if you wanted to call advanced calculator, so you supposed to do like this, right? Advanced calculator equal to new advanced calculator, and you can call that method like this, right? 5 10 comma 15, you can call with this object. So this will call advanced calculator. You see, one more line got added. And if we'll call first line, we got 15, that is calling calculator object add method, and this is three parameter, three values we are giving and adding, it is 40. So two lines got added because the both advanced calculator and calculator present in a different package. So we if we'll give like this, tools dot star. So if we'll give star, it will add all the classes inside this tools package. So still it is working, right? So if we'll create array list, a array list object, if we'll create, I will say my list equal to new my list, sorry, new array list. You see, I created a array list object. So one import statement added, that is array list, util dot array list, because this array list is a predefined class and it belongs to util package. So if you are using this array list, we need to add this. So two types of packages is there. One is user defined package, another is predefined package, built-in package. Predefined package means it is provided by Java already. Any class you take, the any class is belongs to a package in Java. You see, this demo belongs to this package, and this calculator belongs to this package. Just now we created. This is user defined package. Just now we created, and this array list is a predefined class. It belongs to util package. And if you see the system is a predefined class, right? It belongs to java.lang package. But why this java.lang package not added here? This is the default package. This java.lang package is default package. Even though you will not add, it is implicitly added. So if you add it, nothing will be issue. You can add like this. So java.lang package is a default package. So this package name should be unique. You see, here in demo dash project, this package having the demo.java. Here also you can create the same name. I will say demo. You see, due to this packaging structure, same files can be provided in different packages, right? No problem, we can do that. And you see, let me create few more classes. I will say ABC. So it is tools. Instead of tools, we can say like something like that. Let me rename it. I will say Naren.com or com.naren. Anything you can give. It should be, it is like a domain. It should be unique. Dot utility. Dot tools. You see, in reality, in the project, you will get the package name like this with this long. You see, it is changed to like this. Why? Because we wanted to a unique domain. So any project name you are doing say some project name, you can say that project name dot com something, com dot that project name something. Okay. So as I told, we are having, you see, what is package? I told you, right? So similar types of classes and interfaces, subclasses, if we put together, that is known as package. And we are having two types of package. One is built-in, another is user-defined. Built-in I showed you, right? Util, AWT, JavaX, Swing, so many is there. IO, so many packages provided by Java. And user-defined, anything you are creating now. Why you need that package? Because we wanted to similar kind of class we wanted to put together, and for structure and modularization will be easy, right? Java package is used to categorize the classes and interfaces so that they can be easily maintained, and also we can provide access protection and naming collision. What is this access protection? You see, one package classes, this one package, this is one package classes, we are using some other package. So I wanted to restrict it. Suppose in this advanced calculator, I am having a variable int a equal to 10, and I wanted to restrict this variable. No one can use outside of the package. I can restrict by using private, protected, public, by using that access specifier. So that protection we can give because of this package. Okay. And naming collision, whenever you are working in a, if you don't have multiple packages, whenever you will work within reality thousands of classes, sometimes the class name can be same, duplicate. So to avoid that, we will have multiple packages, right? You see, this is the category. Java is the package, and inside that we are having sub packages, right? Lang, java.lang, this is the default package. Util, AWT, so many packages is there, and each package is having multiple classes and interfaces, enums, static variable, instance variable, everything is there in a package, inside a package. Okay. If you important point, if you import a package, sub packages will not be imported. The standard of the defining package is like that, domain.company.package name, something like that. That means the first point I am saying, if you import a package, sub packages will not import it. For example, you see, we are importing this package. Okay. And let's say here we are having another package. I will say it is other sub package. Okay. Otherwise, I will say like this, new package, I will say other. You see, So I will delete this. And here let's say I am having a method, sorry, I am having a class. That class name is other. Okay, and here I am having, let's say, similar kind of method. Not required to mention any method. I will tell you. Suppose here you came and here you did utils, utility.tools, and that other package, if will create this object of other class here. You see what it is saying? You need to import this other because you imported, you see, remove this, you imported tools up to tools, and whatever class inside the tools it will add. But inside the tools there is a sub package known as other. If you open this, go to view, navigator, you will be more understanding. What I did, you see, I created naren.com.util.tools. Inside tools we are having some classes ABC, advanced calculator, calculator, demo. But inside tool there is a sub package called other. Inside other we are having other class. So here we added tools.star. That means all the classes will be added, not sub packages. If you wanted to use other class, so you need to add like this. Explicitly you need to add like this. Tools.other.other. Otherwise other.star you can put. Then no issues. What I'm trying to say, if you add a package with star, it will add all the files, not sub packages. That's what I wanted to say. So here it is saying, if you import a package, sub package will not be imported. All the files belongs to that packages will be imported. And the standard way to define a package like this, com.naren.utility.tools or something, service, something like that you can mention. Okay, that's all about packages. In next session I will explain that access modifiers. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you are getting something, please like my video and comment, it will be motivate me. And if you are new to the session, please subscribe my channel. If any doubt, please put a comment, I will respond. Thank you.